Well, hello everyone. I am Buck. This is Shop Talk with Buck. Welcome to my shop. Last week I couldn't get a video out. Something going around. My wife's got the flu. It really didn't affect me too bad. I was down for one day, but the biggest thing with me, it downed my voice. I mean, I couldn't hardly talk. So it's hard to have a shop talk, not able to talk, if you know what I mean. So I asked y'all in the last video about this right here. And about this right here, whenever you're doing a segmented turning, I always like to do one. You know, do a ring out of scrap wood and whatnot. Just to double check, because wood's expensive. Just to double check, make sure you got everything set right. The time you don't check is the time something didn't go right. Well, you've lost a ring. But that's what all this is. It's pines and different stuff that I've checked at different times, and I wound up with a pile of these things. So what I did, I just went ahead and put it together and you know, practice my turning. Because turning on a lathe is something you got to practice. I hadn't turned in a while, but normally, say for instance, if I decide to do one of these candle holders like this or whatever, or when I did those knobs, I guess that was the last time I did any turning on that dry sink, the knobs for the drawer and the door. I practiced a couple of them before, because you can get out of practice, because it's all about the technique. And you do it a long time, and you just many hours in a row, you get a feel for what you got going. And you don't turn for a year, you got to get that feel back. So that's part of what this was. Plus, I'm checking out my rings the way I got it. Make sure I got the angles right. Because if you're off a little bit and you got 16 pieces to make a ring, that's 32 cuts, and all you got to be off a little bit or you ain't going to come out right. So that's what that was all about. But I hope y'all not getting what's going around. I tell you, I know a lot of people that done got down. It's done whooped them pretty good. I was fortunate that I just lost my voice for 4 or 5 days. I didn't lose it completely, but y'all wouldn't wanted to hear me. It was a struggle to talk. So I thought I would throw one out here just to let y'all know that I hope y'all not getting sick, because there is definitely something going around. And my wife, it knocked her down so that we took her to the doctor and they tested her for COVID and the flu, and she wound up with the flu. We knew she had something, because it whooped her pretty good. She ain't completely over it right now. But they gave her some medicine and jump-started her back. She's doing better than she was. But there's definitely something going around, and I hope y'all not getting it. But I thought this little old short video just to catch y'all up. Not feeling 100%, but I'll get back at it here before long, and we'll get us a video out here before long. But until then, y'all be safe and stay well, and I'll catch you on the next one.